Hey Instagram users, are you seeing the dreaded "use the latest version of Instagram to view this message" error? Don't worry, it's a common issue and can be easily fixed. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to resolve this problem so you can get back to your DMs without any hassle. Let's get started. 1. Update the Instagram app. This error often shows up when your Instagram app is outdated. To fix the "use the latest version of Instagram" error, head over to the Google Play Store or App Store, type Instagram in the search bar and tap Update if available. Updating the app usually resolves bugs and compatibility issues with Instagram DMs or stories, which may be causing the error message to appear. 2. Clear Instagram cache and app data. If the problem isn't solved by updating, try clearing your cache and app data. This is a common solution for those asking why Instagram shows "use the latest version" error, even after updating. Open your phone settings. Scroll to Apps, then find and tap Instagram. Go to Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. If the error persists, tap Clear Data as well. Note, clearing data will log you out of your Instagram account, so make sure you know your login details first. 3. Uninstall and reinstall the Instagram app. If clearing cache and data doesn't help, uninstall the Instagram app and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. This method can fix Instagram message loading problems and remove any corrupted app files that may be triggering the message. Don't worry, your account and messages won't be deleted during this process. 4. Check if Instagram is down. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side. If Instagram servers are down, you may see the "use the latest version" error even with the latest update installed. Use a site like Down Detector to check for Instagram outage reports. If Instagram is experiencing issues, the only solution is to wait for them to fix it. Problem solved. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the "use the latest version of Instagram to view this message" error, restore full functionality, and get back to your DMs. If this video helped you, be sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Still having trouble? Drop your issue in the comments and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.